Hi, I'm Darlene and this is Heartfelt Crochets. So if you've clicked on this video, then you probably are like me, and the seat belt comes right across your neck because you're a short person and there's no adjustment on your seat belt. And it kind of makes you a little bit nervous because not only is it irritating, but if you were to get in a really quick, sudden accident, and that seat belt was right here, don't you think that it could cut right in to your main artery? So I thought, I'm just gonna make one. So here we are. I made this seatbelt cover and it is so simple. And here it is, me putting it on my seatbelt in the car, and how perfect it is. Check that out. So it is 4 granny squares. They're solid granny squares. There's only 2 rounds. And just kind of mix and match the colors. Get wild with it if you want to. And then the opposite side is nothing but, let me turn sideways so you can see that there is a row of single crochet, double crochet, single crochet, double crochet, single crochet, double crochet, single crochet. Okay, so really simple. Really simple. I mean, you don't even have to alternate those rows of, single crochet and double crochet. You could just make them all double crochet and then a border of single crochets to be able to sew the seam once you have connected your granny squares. I put a border of single crochets around the connected, sewn together granny squares. And then I sewed the 2 pieces together, so simple. And then I had a roll of Velcro, and you can either by hand or your sewing machine sew the Velcro on either side so that put your belt in, like shown over here, that you just put your belt in, fold it over, Velcro it, voila, you have a nice comfortable seatbelt cover. And if it should ride up, it's soft. If you should get into a bad accident, it is not going to be that sharp edge that is going to go into your artery or cut into your neck. So that's what I wanted to share with you today. So simple. There's not a pattern to it because you're just making 4 2 round solid granny squares and then a few rows of double crochet. Sew them together. Put a piece of Velcro. That's it. Comment below. Tell me if you like that idea and if you decided to make one or if you've ever made one before. And until next time, bye.